Dahil din nag-record kanina. But guys, thank you very much for coming. This is our last show. We're doing our meet and greet. And here are our fans right there. Diyan sila lahat. Hi!
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion nagpasalamat sa mga nanood ng kanilang 8 concert. Nagpapasalamat ng labis sina Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion sa lahat ng netizens na sumuporta at nanood ng kanilang 8 matagumpay na konsyerto. Lubos ang kanilang kasiyahan dahil hindi lamang nila nakasama ang mga tagahanga sa kanilang mga pagtatanghal, kundi nagkaroon din sila ng pagkakataong makipag-meet and greet sa mga ito. Ang saya at init ng pagtanggap ng kanilang mga fans ay nagbibigay inspirasyon upang ipagpatuloy nila ang pagbibigay ng aliw sa pamamagitan ng kanilang musika at pagganap, na sabi pa nila na baka may maganap na naman na konsyerto sa susunod na taon. Narito at ating panuurin ang buong saad nila, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para laging updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
Hi guys, we're recording right now. This is our second recording. Dahil din nag-record kanina. But guys, thank you very much for coming. This is our last show. We're doing our meet and greet. And here are our fans right there. Diyan sila lahat. Hi!
Thank you to everybody who watched us in all the 8 Dear Heart concert tour shows. And we hope to be back next year.
Yes,
to
and
do other shows also in other places.
Just check our Instagram, both of us, so that you will be updated with the latest events.
Right, and we love from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you from us both.
Thank you to everybody, all our 8 shows, all the states that we've been to, and Canada. Thank you sa inyo lahat. But maybe we'll give the others, other states a chance.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't happen in the US,
other countries also.
Yes, it will happen somewhere else, maybe Australia.
But we'll come back to the US.
Yes, we'd like to do
Australia, Middle East, maybe, and of course, we're gonna make a movie, hopefully soon, but we'll make it a nice one to be worth your while.
We'll keep you updated. Stay within. Check out our Instagram and stay with us until that date comes. Take care.
We love you so much.
Take care because
we care.
All right, bye bye.